If you think eating more eggs or protein shakes is protecting your muscles after 50, you could be setting yourself up for weakness, falls, or even permanent loss of mobility. And most people make this mistake without realizing it. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever felt your legs trembling when you stand? Or noticed your arms looking softer no matter how much protein you eat? Maybe you expected your usual egg breakfast or that pricey protein shake to do the trick. But every time you climb the stairs or stretch to reach a shelf, your muscles just don't respond like they used to. If any of this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Every week in my clinic, I meet people just like you, active, careful with their diet, doing everything right, yet struggling with muscle loss and the feeling that their body is letting them down. The truth is, after 50, and especially after 70, our muscles face challenges that go beyond just eating more protein. The real problem is absorption. Your body's ability to actually use the protein you eat to rebuild muscle and restore strength. Are we missing a critical piece of the puzzle? Could there be a smarter, safer way to regain muscle and stay independent without resorting to more eggs, shakes, or powders? This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. A few months ago, Bill, a retired teacher in his 70s, sat across from me looking frustrated. "Doc," he said, "I've had eggs every morning for the last year, but my legs still wobble when I try to stand." In another visit, Maria, a lively grandmother, confided, "I drink my protein shake religiously. My arms, still losing tone. I could see the effort in their eyes, and I knew it wasn't a question of willpower. It was their bodies changing, digesting, and absorbing protein in a way that just wasn't working anymore." And here's the part that surprised even me. After decades of practice, most of us are told to double down on animal proteins or add more protein powder as the years go by. But studies now show that as we age, our ability to break down and use these dense proteins drops dramatically. Instead of feeding your muscles, that protein can simply pass through your system unabsorbed. It's not just about how much you eat, it's about whether your muscles can actually use it. So what can you do differently? In my clinic, I started doing something unconventional. For patients like Bill and Maria, I suggested what seemed almost laughable at first: ditch the focus on eggs and animal protein for a bit. Instead, start relying on certain powerful vegetables. They were skeptical, but within weeks, Bill called to tell me his legs felt steadier, and Maria said her arms were finally awake again. This wasn't magic. Science is catching up to this idea. 2. Medical research is now uncovering vegetables with unique combinations of amino acids, antioxidants, and enzymes that not only supply protein but also restore the body's ability to absorb and use it. Some of these may actually outperform eggs when it comes to supporting muscle growth, protecting against inflammation, and keeping your strength intact as you age. Now, before revealing these remarkable vegetables, I'd love to know a little about you. Where are you watching from? How old are you? And have you noticed your own muscles feeling different lately? Leave a comment below. I do read and reply. And your story helps everyone feel less alone on this journey. Let's dive in. Starting with number 7, a humble vegetable that may surprise you. Zucchini is often overlooked as little more than a watery side dish, but it holds a secret advantage for aging muscles. With only about 1-2 grams of protein per 100 grams. It doesn't seem like a protein powerhouse at first glance, but it's not just the numbers that matter here. The real power of zucchini lies in how it can boost your ability to absorb and use protein from other foods. Zucchini is over 94% water, yet this isn't just plain water. It's packed with magnesium, potassium, and manganese, important minerals that help keep your muscle cells hydrated and flexible. Why does this matter? As we age, our muscle fibers become dehydrated and stiff, making it much harder to absorb the protein we actually eat. That's why even a healthy breakfast of eggs may not do its job. Adding a serving of cooked zucchini to your meal, just half a cup, can quickly rehydrate these muscle fibers at a cellular level. In fact, a study in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that combining zucchini with other protein-rich vegetables increased nutrient transport to muscles by up to 28%. Let me give you a real example. Eleanor, one of my patients, was plagued by severe calf cramps every night. She insisted her diet had enough protein. She ate eggs at breakfast almost every day, but the cramps kept her up. When I asked about vegetables, she admitted she didn't eat many. I had her steam just half a zucchini and add it to her dinner each night. Within 10 days, her cramping improved so much she called me to ask what the magic ingredient was. It wasn't magic. Zucchini's hydration, mineral content, and gentle alkalizing qualities made her muscle cells better able to absorb the nutrients and protein already in her diet. While eggs can increase oxidative stress for some due to their cholesterol content, zucchini's antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin help protect against the muscle rust that happens with aging. If you're set in your routine, trying out zucchini might seem simple, but the changes it can bring are often profound. Start with a small serving cooked into your soups or stir-fries and see if your muscles feel less tight or prone to cramping. On to number 6. A vegetable often underestimated for its muscle benefits: cauliflower. Cauliflower packs nearly 3 grams of protein per 100 grams and is uniquely equipped to support older muscles. Its real secret isn't just protein content. Cauliflower contains compounds called glucosinolates and sulforaphane, which have been shown to help lower inflammation and encourage muscle regeneration. In a recent study published in the Journal of Functional Foods, adults over 65 who ate cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower 3 times weekly reported a 25% increase in muscle endurance and a noticeable reduction in soreness. Why is this important? As we pass 50, inflammation quietly erodes our muscle tissue even if we aren't in pain every day. Cauliflower acts like a cleanup crew. Its antioxidants sweep away toxins, while sulforaphane activates protective proteins that rebuild muscle fibers damaged by aging or inactivity. Let me share Diana's story. She came to me complaining of burning legs after even a short walk, despite sticking to a healthy, protein-rich diet. Instead of piling on more eggs or shakes, I encouraged her to swap her starchy evening sides for roasted cauliflower a few times each week. In less than 2 weeks, her legs felt calm, not inflamed. It was an everyday change that made a difference. Digestion also gets easier with cauliflower. Its high vitamin C content boosts absorption of amino acids and helps the body use them efficiently, while vitamin K supports bone health, a foundation for avoiding frailty or falls. Most importantly, cauliflower is rich in choline, which sharpens the signals between your brain and muscles. Consider mixing it roasted or steamed into your weekly routine, and notice if your recovery after activity improves. Now let's talk about a vegetable that not only builds muscle, its amino acids help fuel new growth and protect what you already have. Number 5 is Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts may have a reputation for strong flavor, but for muscle health, they're an absolute gem. With 4 grams of protein per 100 grams. They're a standout among vegetables and even rival certain types of meat or eggs in terms of their amino acid composition. What sets Brussels sprouts apart is their high levels of leucine and glutamine, 2 amino acids critical for activating muscle protein synthesis, the core process your body uses to rebuild and maintain muscle tissue. Research from the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that older adults who regularly ate Brussels sprouts had up to 33% higher muscle density and stronger leg muscles than those who didn't. The reason is simple. The compounds in Brussels sprouts don't just feed muscles, they also shield them from inflammatory damage. Frank, age 73, was walking every day but felt his legs weren't keeping up. I had him add a cup of steamed Brussels sprouts to his lunch 3 days a week. Over a month, he noticed his thighs felt tighter and his knees didn't ache with movement. This kind of improvement isn't about quick fixes. It's about giving your muscles the nutrients and protection they've been missing. If you dislike the texture or taste, try roasting them with a drizzle of olive oil to enhance nutrient absorption and mellow the flavor. Alongside protein, Brussels sprouts bring you alpha-lipoic acid, which supports the energy-producing mitochondria in your muscle cells, and folate plus vitamin K to support healthy bones and blood flow. This is a vegetable that quietly strengthens you from the inside out. Next, I want to highlight a little green powerhouse, green peas. Green peas may be small, but they're mighty when it comes to protein, offering about 9 grams per 100 grams. What makes peas exceptional for those over 50 is their complete profile of amino acids, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are all vital for muscle repair. More importantly, the protein in green peas is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can actually absorb and use it efficiently. Even as you age, a study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism followed older adults who added a daily serving of peas to their meals. They saw not just more muscle, but faster recovery and less tiredness than those eating animal-based protein. The secret: peas reduce inflammation, something animal protein cannot always offer, while also delivering nutrients like arginine, which increases blood flow, and glutamine, which supports repair. Let me share a quick story. Judith, in her early 70s, felt tired after even gentle walks despite her healthy breakfast habits. When she blended half a cup of cooked peas into her dinner soup, she noticed her muscles felt lighter, her balance improved, and her recovery sped up within 3 weeks. Peas are also rich in iron and folate, so they boost oxygen delivery, and their fiber content keeps your energy stable throughout the day. If you want to maximize their effect, avoid overcooking, just steam lightly or blend into a soup. Green peas are simple, versatile, and surprisingly restorative. Now, we come to a vegetable that combines substantial protein with a unique kind of energy release: corn. Corn is often dismissed as just a starchy side, but it offers a powerful 4 grams of protein per 100 grams. Beyond protein, corn delivers complex carbohydrates that refuel your muscles' energy stores, a crucial ingredient for sustained muscle function. Think of your body as an engine. Without enough fuel glycogen, even the best quality protein can't be used to build or repair muscle. Research shared in the Journal of Applied Nutrition has shown that switching from refined grains to whole corn improved muscle power, endurance, and stability in people over 65. Many reported that their stamina returned and that they felt less drained, especially after breakfast. Robert, one of my older patients, had a familiar complaint, feeling wiped out mid-morning no matter how healthy he tried to eat. By simply replacing his usual toast with gently boiled corn drizzled in olive oil, he experienced a steady boost of energy and muscle resilience within 2 weeks. Corn is also full of glutamine and alanine, which fight muscle breakdown, and its antioxidant content supports efficient oxygen use in muscle tissues. On top of this, corn delivers magnesium and B vitamins, both essential for nerve health and reducing the risk of muscle cramps. It's a versatile, filling food boiled, roasted, or tossed into a salad that gives both short-term energy and lasting muscle support. Now, let's highlight a timeless yet often forgotten vegetable. Number 2, artichokes. Artichokes are rarely at the front of the muscle-building conversation, but they deserve their place. With over 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, they outpace both eggs and some forms of meat. What's unique about artichokes is the kind of protein and fiber they deliver. Their amino acids, like methionine and aspartic acid, support collagen production and help repair tiny tears in muscle fibers, a process that keeps muscles strong and supple over time. There's also another key benefit. Artichokes can assist your liver in clearing ammonia, a waste product that can build up in the muscles and slow down healing or growth, especially with age. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that seniors eating artichokes regularly showed more lean muscle and better grip strength compared to those on other protein diets. Helen, a patient in her mid-70s, was discouraged because her arms stayed soft even with fish and eggs in her diet. I had her try steamed artichoke with olive oil and lemon twice a week. It didn't take long for her to notice improvements. Grocery bags felt lighter, and her grip was stronger. Artichokes support healthy digestion too, since they contain inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the bacteria responsible for breaking down and absorbing your nutrition properly. In addition to direct muscle support, artichokes are packed with magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C, offering deeper hydration, nerve stability, and enhanced collagen production. It's a slow but steady way to help your body remember how to stay strong. This brings us to the number one muscle-restoring vegetable, a true hidden gem for those over 70. Drumstick pods, or moringa pods, are not widely known in the West, but they are considered a superfood in many parts of the world for a reason. With a remarkable 12 grams of protein per 100 grams, they outdo eggs, yogurt, and even chicken breast by weight. But there's more. The type of protein in drumstick pods is highly usable by older bodies because it is rich in key amino acids and is combined with plant compounds like moringa that help activate the mitochondria in your muscle cells. This means not just feeding your muscles, but turning on their natural ability to repair and rebuild. In fact, a groundbreaking study in the Asian Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed seniors consuming moringa powder for 12 weeks. The results: a significant boost in muscle density, faster walking speed, fewer muscle cramps, and real gains in both strength and energy. Daniel, age 78, struggled with stairs for years despite trying every protein routine you could imagine. When I suggested adding cooked drumstick pods to his favorite soup 3 times a week, he came back after a month with an undeniable spring in his step. "My knees don't creak anymore and I feel 10 years younger," he told me. Drumstick pods offer a complete mineral package to calcium, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants that lower inflammation and protect muscle fibers against age-related breakdown. Unlike animal-based proteins, they also have zero cholesterol, which is safer for those at risk of heart issues. If you can't find fresh moringa pods at your local store, look for dried moringa powder or capsules. Always check with your doctor or nutrition expert before starting any new supplement. To recap, we've covered the 7 vegetables that may help your body restore muscle after 70 better than eggs alone. Zucchini for hydration and improved protein use. Cauliflower for muscle repair and easier recovery. Brussels sprouts for strength and lasting muscle density. Green peas for all-around balance and rapid absorption. Corn for fuel and muscle protection. Artichokes for real structural rebuilding. Drumstick pods for the most potent and comprehensive muscle support. If you're tired of feeling that your efforts aren't paying off or have started to worry about losing your independence, remember this: feeding your muscles the right way makes a world of difference. You can begin by gradually adding more of these vegetables to your meals. See how your energy, mobility, and sense of well-being change. If you found this video useful, let me know your age and where you're watching from in the comments. I read each one and love hearing your stories. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video, where I'll share the one common food many people believe helps muscle, but may be quietly causing the opposite effect. Stay proactive, stay strong, and join our supportive community on this journey to better health after 50.